Sure, yeah, I'm ready. What's up, guys? Today we're playing the Palms. I'm predicting the score is going to be 5-3. We actually both had the same prediction.
We did. We predicted the same thing.
She was like, do you know who we're playing? I'm like, no. I don't know who we're playing, but it depends who we're playing. I can guess what the score is going to be.
5-3, 5-3. Let's go.
Make sure you drop a like on your way out. Make sure you subscribe. Really appreciate you guys. Love all the comments. Lions, baby.
Let's go.
They won today.
And the Chiefs. And the Chiefs.
The Chiefs just won like a couple minutes ago. Can't stand the Chiefs.
I'm a big fan.
She's a big fan of the Chiefs.
Let's
They
go.
beat the Bills. The Bills are 0-3 in postseason the last 3 years in the Mahomes era. They need to figure it out. Anyways, I'm gonna put up the GoPros in the net. I wasn't gonna film today. I'm just super exhausted, but I'm gonna put the GoPros up in the net. Hopefully I can get some good saves in, stick tight to the net. Last week was really rough. I had over 55 shots. Really good game. If you guys haven't checked out that video, it's last week's video. We played Phantoms. Yeah, the Phantoms are pretty good. They got a pretty, I wouldn't say they have a good skill team, but they have a hard-working team.
They did really well. That was a fun game to watch.
Yeah, that's all they got going for them.
Hey. Easy.
Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys out on the ice.
You look good. You feel good?
Look good, feel good, play good.
You know it.
I gotta hurry up and get out there and get a good stretch.
Yeah, we got here like 20 minutes early and
And then play better when I show up late to the ice.
fashionably late, of course.
Fashionably late.
Fashionably late.
Right, Rusty?
Oh yeah.
We just scored, it's 1-0. 14 minutes left in the first period. Oh my God, we just scored, it's 2-0, 13 minutes and 14 seconds left in the first period. We just scored again, it's 3-0, 12 minutes and 30 seconds left in the first period. We just scored, it's 4-0, 9 minutes and 20 seconds left in the first period. We just scored. It's 5-0. 1 minute left in the first period. Not bad, not bad. Not a bad first period. Here's my blocker too. Oh, that's a goal. That's been a while. Yes, yes, yes. We just scored. It's 5-1, 6-1. I got the assist on that. 15 minutes left in the second period. We just scored again. It's 6-1. 14 minutes left in the second period. Sorry, it's 7-1. 7-1. Yeah, you got me in the head. It took my top.
Let's go.
We just scored again. It's 8-1. 7 minutes and 20 seconds left in the second period. We just scored again. It's 9-1. I'm just gonna stop keeping score at this point. So, yeah.
Come on, bro. Nice. That's just not baby bites.
What is going on right now?
During the third period, and we are killing it. Damn.
I didn't hear it dropping. Hard to play.
You good?
Oh my gosh. Oh, brother. Let's go! Rusty!
All right, that's good.
Babe only let 2 in? Are you kidding me?
I honestly, after the first period, I thought this was a game I was gonna get a shutout. I was dead wrong.
I am so proud of you.
That was a gong show game though. And my GoPro died.
I know, I saw you like fidgeting with
Yeah,
it.
the SD card like ran out of memory or something.
Did that pluck at your helmet?
It did. Can you see something?
No, I saw it on the ice and I was like, wait.
Yeah, in the second period, that guy in the green pants, he can really shoot the puck.
I know.
He ripped it and it like chipped my helmet. I was like, oh!
Let me see it. Did it actually chip it?
I don't know. Am I good?
Yeah, you're good. Oh my god. I was like,
please not the helmet. I was like, oh!
I was like, he better not.
I was like, no!
No.
No!